तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
गणवदना गणनाथा नाथा गणवदना गणनाथा नाथा गणवदना गणनाथा नाथा गणवदना गणनाथा नाथा गौरी वरतनया गुणालया वरतनया गुणालया गौरी वरतनया गुणालया वरतनया गुणालया गजवदना गणनाथा नाथा विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक सिद्धिविनायक हे शुभदायक सिद्धिविनायक हे शुभदायक सिद्धिविनायक हे शुभदायक सिद्धिविनायक हे शुभदायक गजवदना गणनाथा नाथा गजवदना गणनाथा नाथा गौरी वरतनया गुणालया गौरी वरतनया गुणालया गजवदना गणनाथा नाथा गजवदना गणनाथा नाथा विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक सिद्धिविनायक हे शुभदायक सिद्धिविनायक हे शुभदायक सिद्धिविनायक हे शुभदायक सिद्धिविनायक हे शुभदायक गजवदना गणनाथा नाथा। साईं तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम 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 शरण में ले लो साईं प्रभो शरण में ले लो चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
तुम हो मेरे माता पिता साई,
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 तुम हो मेरे बंधु सखा,
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 तुम हो मेरे सब कुछ साई,
तुम हो मेरे सब कुछ साई,
तुम हो मेरे सब कुछ साई,
तुम हो मेरे सब कुछ साई।
दीजो हमको शरण तुम्हारी,
जो हमको शरण तुम्हारी,
दीजो हमको शरण तुम्हारी,
जो हमको शरण तुम्हारी।
साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
शरण में ले लो साई प्रभो,
शरण में ले लो साई प्रभो,
साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
तुम हो मेरे माता पिता साई,
तुम हो मेरे माता पिता साई,
तुम हो मेरे बंधु सखा,
तुम हो मेरे बंधु सखा,
तुम हो मेरे सब कुछ साई,
तुम हो मेरे सब कुछ साई।
दीजो हमको शरण तुम्हारी,
जो हमको शरण तुम्हारी,
दीजो हमको शरण तुम्हारी,
जो हमको शरण तुम्हारी।
साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम।
वैकुण्ठपते साई हरे,
वैकुण्ठपते साई हरे,
वैकुण्ठपते साई हरे,
वैकुण्ठपते साई हरे,
वैजयन्ती मालाधारी,
वैजयन्ती मालाधारी,
वैजयन्ती मालाधारी,
वैजयन्ती मालाधारी,
वैकुण्ठपते साई हरे,
वैकुण्ठपते साई हरे,
हरि गोविन्द चित्रावती तीरविहारी
चित्रावती तीरविहारी
वैकुण्ठपते साई हरे
वैकुण्ठपते साई हरे
वैजयन्ती मालाधारी
वैजयन्ती मालाधारी
वैकुण्ठपते साई हरे
वैकुण्ठपते साई हरे
हरि गोविन्द हरि गोपाल
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 वर गोदावरी तीरविहारी
वै गोदावरी तीरविहारी
वर चित्रावती तीरविहारी
वै चित्रावती तीरविहारी
वैकुण्ठपते साई हरे
कलिमलभञ्जन कोदण्ड रामा
कलिमलभञ्जन कोदण्ड
कलिमलभञ्जन कोदण्ड रामा
कलिमलभञ्जन कोदण्ड
करुणान्तरङ्गा कैवल्यधामा
करुणान्तरङ्गा कैवल्यधामा
करुणान्तरङ्गा कैवल्यधामा
करुणान्तरङ्गा कैवल्यधामा
कलिमलभञ्जन कोदण्ड रामा
कलिमलभञ्जन कोदण्ड रामा
माया मानुष मुनिजन प्रेमा
मानुष मुनिजन प्रेमा
माया मानुष मुनिजन प्रेमा
माया मानुष मुनिजन प्रेमा
मधुर मनोहर मङ्गलधामा
मधुर मनोहर मङ्गलधामा
मधुर मनोहर मङ्गलधामा
मधुर मनोहर मङ्गलधामा
परतिपुरीशा प्रभु परमात्मा
परतिपुरीशा प्रभु परमात्मा
परतिपुरीशा प्रभु परमात्मा
परतिपुरीशा प्रभु परमात्मा
पतित पावना पट्टाभिरामा
पतित पावना पट्टाभिरामा
पतित पावना पट्टाभिरामा
पतित पावना पट्टाभिरामा
कलिमलभञ्जन कोदण्ड रामा
कलिमलभञ्जन कोदण्ड रामा
करुणान्त करुणातरङ्गा कैवल्यधामा कलिमलभञ्जन कोदण्डरामा माया मानुष मुनिजन प्रेमा मधुर मनोहर मङ्गलधामा कर्तिपुरीश प्रभु परमात्मा पतित पावना पटाभिरामा पतित पावना पटाभिरामा कलिमलभञ्जन कोदण्डरामा
शिवकुमार ने शक्ति बालने वावा
शिवकुमार ने शक्ति बालने
शिवकुमार ने शक्ति बालने वावा
शिवकुमार ने शक्ति बालने
श्रवण भमगुह षण्मुख वेला
शरवण भवगुह षण्मुख वेला
श्रवण भमगुह षण्मुख वेला
शरवण भवगुह षण्मुख वेला
ओंकार तत्व में नीवा
ओंकार तत्व में
ओंकार तत्व में नीवा
ओंकार तत्व में
कर्तपुरीशा साईनाथ बाबा
कर्तिपुरीशा साईनाथ
पुटभर्तिपुरीशा साईनाथ बाबा
कर्तिपुरीशा साईनाथ
शिवकुमार ने शक्ति बालने बाबा
शिवकुमार ने शक्ति बालने
शरवण भमगुह षण्मुख वेला
शरवण भवगुह षण्मुख वेला
ओंकार तत्व में नीवा
ओंकार तत्व में
ओंकार तत्व में नीवा
ओंकार तत्व में
कर्तपुरीशा साईनाथ बाबा
कर्तिपुरीशा साईनाथ
पुटभर्तिपुरीशा साईनाथ बाबा
कर्तिपुरीशा साईनाथ
कंद बाबा वेला बाबा
वेला
साई बाबा
साई
कंद बाबा
कंदवा
वेला बाबा
वेला
साई बाबा
साई बाबा
साई बाबा
साई बाबा
साई बाबा
साई बाबा
जय कैलाशपते शिव शङ्कर
जय कैलाशपते शिव शङ्कर
जय कैलाशपते शिव शङ्कर
जय कैलाशपते शिव शङ्कर
साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो
साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो
साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो
साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो
परतीश्वर साई शिव शम्भो
परतीश्वर साई शिव शम्भो
परतीश्वर साई शिव शम्भो
परतीश्वर साई शिव शम्भो
शैलेश्वर करुणामय शङ्कर
शैलेश्वर करुणामय शङ्कर
शैलेश्वर करुणामय शङ्कर
शैलेश्वर करुणामय शङ्कर
लिङ्गोद्भवकर शिव शम्भो
लिङ्गोद्भवकर शिव शम्भो
लिङ्गोद्भवकर शिव शम्भो
लिङ्गोद्भवकर शिव शम्भो
त्रिशूलजटाधर गङ्गाधारी
त्रिशूलजटाधर गङ्गाधारी
त्रिशूलजटाधर गङ्गाधारी
त्रिशूलजटाधर गङ्गाधारी
हालाहलधर शम्भो
हालाहलधर शम्भो
हालाहलधर शम्भो
हालाहलधर शम्भो
साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो
साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो
परतीश्वर साई शिव शम्भो
परतीश्वर साई शिव शम्भो
परतीश्वर साई शिव शम्भो
परतीश्वर साई शिव शम्भो
जय कैलाशपते शिव शङ्कर
कैलाशपते शिव शङ्कर
साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो
साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो
परतीश्वर साई शिव शम्भो
परतीश्वर साई शिव शम्भो
शैलेश्वर करुणामय शङ्कर
शैलेश्वर करुणामय शङ्कर
लिङ्गोद्भवकर शिव शम्भो
लिङ्गोद्भवकर शिव शम्भो
त्रिशूलजटाधर गङ्गाधारी
त्रिशूलजटाधर गङ्गाधारी
हालाहलधर शम्भो
हालाहलधर शम्भो
साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो
साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो
परतीश्वर साई 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 शिव शम्भो पते शिव शंकर।
जागो 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 शंकरा,
जागो जागो शंकरा,
जागो 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 शंकरा,
जागो जागो शंकरा,
जागो जागो साईश्वरा, जागो जागो साईश्वरा,
जागो साईश्वरा,
जागो 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 शंकरा,
जागो जागो शंकरा,
हाला हलधर हे परमेशा, जयपर्तीशा,
त्रिपुरारी जयपर्तीशा,
हे त्रिपुरारी जयपर्तीशा,
हे त्रिपुरारी जयपर्तीशा,
गंगाधरा शंकरा,
गंगाधरा शंकरा,
गंगाधरा शंकरा,
गंगाधरा शंकरा,
गौरीवरा शंकरा,
गौरीवरा शंकरा,
गौरीवरा शंकरा,
गौरीवरा शंकरा,
हर गंगाधरा शंकरा,
हर गंगाधरा शंकरा,
हर गंगाधरा शंकरा,
हर गंगाधरा शंकरा,
साईश्वरा शंकरा,
साईश्वरा शंकरा,
सत्य साईश्वरा शंकरा,
सत्य साईश्वरा शंकरा,
जागो 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 शंकरा,
जागो 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 शंकरा,
जागो जागो साईश्वरा,
जागो साईश्वरा,
जागो 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 शंकरा,
जागो 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 शंकरा,
हाला हलधर हे परमेशा,
हलधर हे परमेशा,
हे त्रिपुरारी जयपर्तीशा,
हे त्रिपुरारी जयपर्तीशा,
गंगाधरा शंकरा,
गंगाधरा शंकरा,
गौरीवरा शंकरा,
गौरीवरा शंकरा,
हर गंगाधरा शंकरा,
गंगाधरा शंकरा,
साईश्वरा शंकरा,
साईश्वरा शंकरा,
सत्य साईश्वरा शंकरा,
सत्य साईश्वरा शंकरा,
जागो 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 शंकरा।
पर्तीश्वरा परमेश्वरा
ईश्वरा परमेश्वरा
परतीश्वरा परमेश्वरा
ईश्वरा परमेश्वरा
पावन नामा साईश्वरा
पावन नामा साईश्वरा
पावन नामा साईश्वरा
पावन नामा साईश्वरा
जगदीश्वरा हृदयेश्वरा
जगदीश्वरा हृदयेश्वरा
जगदीश्वरा हृदयेश्वरा
जगदीश्वरा हृदयेश्वरा
जगदोद्धारा जटाधरा
जगदोद्धारा जटाधरा
जगदोद्धारा जटाधरा
जगदोद्धारा जटाधरा
पावन नामा साईश्वरा
पावन नामा साईश्वरा
पावन नामा साईश्वरा
पावन नामा साईश्वरा
परतीश्वरा परमेश्वरा
ईश्वरा परमेश्वरा
पावन नामा साईश्वरा
पावन नामा साईश्वरा
जगदीश्वरा हृदयेश्वरा
जगदीश्वरा हृदयेश्वरा
जगदोद्धारा जटाधरा
जगदोद्धारा जटाधरा
पावन नामा साईश्वरा
पावन नामा साईश्वरा
पावन नामा साईश्वरा
पावन नामा साईश्वरा
परतीश्वरा परमेश्वरा
ॐ शिवाय 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 शम्भो शङ्कर ॐ शिवाय शम्भो शङ्कर ॐ शिवाय शम्भो शङ्कर ॐ शिवाय शम्भो शङ्कर ॐ शिवाय ॐ शिवाय ॐ शिवाय ॐ शिवाय ॐ शिवाय शम्भो शङ्कर 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 ॐ शिवाय 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 शम्भो शङ्कर ॐ शिवाय शम्भो शङ्कर ॐ शिवाय शम्भो शङ्कर ॐ शिवाय
In the presence of Swami, who is speaking, and Swami, who is listening. You see, when we speak about power, it's not a only external power. The external power is only a manifestation of the internal power. Lord Jesus knew the secret. He knows the secret, and therefore his world is beautiful. He is not affected. And though the people around him may not have realized this truth, just being in the presence of Jesus was enough for them to experience peace. That is what has happened with us. None of us, possibly very few among us, are realized souls. And yet all of us have benefited by being in Bhagwan's presence. And his presence is not just the physical presence. It is the omnipresence that we feel even today. Because, dear brothers and sisters, as we sit here and contemplate about Swami, don't we feel peace in our hearts? Don't we feel his love? That is the beauty. It is forever. One individual can make so much of a change. So let us not think what is the use of us transforming ourselves when it is not going to affect the world in any manner. It might not affect the world in a manner that we are expecting and we are seeing with these physical eyes. But nothing goes waste. I'm reminded of a movie that I had seen, a wartime movie. I think the name of the movie is Force 10 from Navarone. This movie is set in the World War II times. Basically, it's about a group of British or American soldiers. I don't know. I don't remember now. They are given a mission of going and destroying a bridge that is being used by the enemies, that is the Germans, to carry their supplies. When they go there, they realize that the bridge is very heavily guarded and there is no way that they can go and destroy the bridge. That is when they come up with a plan that a little on top of a mountain there is a dam holding a lot of water. The dam is not so well guarded. So they feel if we destroy this dam, then the water will come down in full force and the force of the water will break the bridge. So with that plan, they changed their idea of directly destroying the bridge to destroying the dam, and they moved to the dam. Now when they reach the dam, they realize that this dam is a very, very, very powerful structure, very strong. And you can't break this with the little explosives that they have got. So what do? There is a person called Miller, and he is the bombs expert, and he says, don't worry. He takes and places the bombs at different spots on the dam, and then they go away. And when they detonate the bombs, instead of the whole dam falling down, you know what happens? A few holes come in the dam and water starts coming. That water is possibly enough if you want to irrigate your crops or supply some drinking water. It is not enough to break the dam. The explosive is not enough. So everybody turns to this bomb expert and they say, what have you done? What have you done? We have failed. He says, have patience. Just wait. Just wait. As they wait, as a few hours pass, the water starts coming through the hole. The water starts breaking. And after a few hours, in front of their eyes, they see the whole dam crumbling. And the dam crumbles, the water comes and destroys the bridge. That is the end of the movie. That is the end of the movie, but that is the beginning of an inspiration in our hearts. I just felt that this is what Swami is also doing on earth. This is what Swami has done, In order to wipe out evil and badness, it is not enough. It is not necessary that you have to break the whole dam. Just make little holes over here through which water can come. What is that water? That is the water of goodness. Transform an individual here, one individual there, one individual here, one from Poland, one from Russia, one from India. Transform. Make them channels of goodness. Just like those holes in the dam through which water flowed, these people become channels through which goodness flows. And as goodness flows over time, the goodness has its own impact. It will bring down the walls, it will crumble it down, and the objective will be achieved. That is the inspiration we have to take. The reverse also holds good, you know. If even one of us become channels for badness to flow through, it is possible that we can infect society. That is why Swami would often say, one rotten apple will spoil the other apples, so remove it out. In the same way, one channel of goodness can achieve a lot. Let us never ever underestimate the strength of a single individual. Each one of us are very powerful. Why are we powerful? We are powerful because we are the embodiments of love. Who said? Our dear Swami said. Swami always would call us Prema Swarupulara, embodiments of love. In spite of how much ever anger we had, in spite of how much ever hatred we would express, Swami always called us embodiments of love, because that is the truth. He always saw us as embodiments of love. I just now gave you the example of the dam. A similar kind of question was asked by a student to Swami in Trai Vrindavan. The student said, he asked Swami, Swami, you know, you are telling that you want to, you will transform the world with students. But Swami, you know, how many students pass out of the university? Every year maybe 100, that's all. Swami, there are so many people in the world. How can just a few students bring about a change? You know what Swami gave as an answer? Of course, I will reveal that, but before that, let me put a disclaimer here. When I say student, it does not mean a person who has studied in the Sri Sathya Sai Institute of Higher Learning. Swami had once told that also. He said, being a student of the university doesn't make you a Sai student. A Sai student is a student of Sai. So all of us have the opportunity to be a Sai student. It is just that those of us who possibly study in the university have a bonus of opportunities to become a Sai student faster. But just because we joined the Sathya Sai University doesn't make us Sai students. We become Sai students only when we follow what Sai has said. Only when Sai is our teacher can we be a student. Okay, so that is a Sai student. I thought it is better that we lay that definition clear for all of us to understand, so that I don't grow a horn thinking that I'm special, I'm a Sai student. No, if I follow Swami, if you follow Swami, all of us are Sai students. If I don't follow what Swami has said, even though I wear white dress, even though I studied in Swami's university, I am not a Sai student. So this boy had asked Swami, Swami, what is the use? There are so few numbers of us. How can we transform the world? Swami told him, you ensure that you follow whatever you have learned from Sai. Follow Sai's teachings diligently and perfectly. That's all is your duty. It is my duty to ensure that people around you, in the society around you, will observe you, will get inspired by you, and will transform themselves using you as an example. So you see, if any one of us wants to truly become Swami's student, the headache or the burden of inspiring other people and transforming them is not on us. We just have to follow Swami's teachings, and we just have to live our lives according to how Swami has said. It is his responsibility, Swami's responsibility, to inspire others in whatever way they need. Our focus should be ourselves. Rather than finding, you know, Swami had once said in a discourse, if you want to criticize somebody, criticize yourself. Don't criticize somebody else. Because there is no use of criticizing others. If you criticize yourself, you can find your weaknesses, improve upon them, and become strong. That is another interpretation of the statement, who if not us? Whom else do we criticize if not ourselves? Let us perfect ourselves. When we perfect ourselves, everything around will look perfect. That is another example that Swami had told, from the Mahabharata. There is Yudhishthira, the eldest among the Pandavas, the good brothers, and there is Duryodhana, the eldest among the Kauravas, the bad brothers. Both of them were told to do a particular task. Yudhishthira, the eldest among the Pandava brothers, was told by Krishna, go and find one bad person in this world. And Duryodhana, the eldest among the Kaurava or the bad brothers, was told by Krishna, go and find one good person in this world. Duryodhana comes back and he says, Lord, there is not even a single good person in this whole world. Everybody is bad. If at all there is a good person, possibly it is me, that's all. And you know what Yudhishthira says? Yudhishthira comes back and tells Krishna, Lord, in this whole world there is not even one bad person. Everybody is so good. Everybody has goodness. If at all there is a bad person, it's possibly me. The world outside is a reflection of the world inside. And that is why we have to transform ourselves. Who, if not ourselves? Individual transformation is the most important. Individual transformation will lead to family transformation, will lead to societal transformation, will lead to country transformation, will lead to world transformation. That is the only way. That is the only route. And now, if we are ready for transformation, the next question that comes, when do we begin? That is the second half of our theme today. When, if not now? Now is the moment. Let me, continue to tell about the same brother Yudhishthira, whom I mentioned. He was also called Dharmaraja, Dharmaja, the epitome of Dharma. So Yudhishthira and Dharmaja are different names of the same person. Now this Dharmaja was a person of a very large heart, and when he was ruling over his kingdom, one day he was busy in some act when a person came and sought charity from him. So he told the person, look, I'm busy today, why don't you come tomorrow? I will give you this charity. The person was happy and he went away. Immediately, Dharmaja's younger brother Bhima, he went and announced in the kingdom that we are going to have a grand celebration, a feast. This is a moment of great rejoicing. Yudhishthira was puzzled. He goes to Bhima and he asks, Bhima, why have you announced a celebration? Why are we celebrating? What's so great? What has happened? Bhima says, brother, you have conquered death. Isn't that a great enough reason for celebration? Yudhishthira says, where have I conquered death? Bhima then says, brother, you are sure that you will live till tomorrow. You told that person, you come tomorrow, I will do charity. You're so sure that you will live till tomorrow. That means you have conquered death till tomorrow. None of us are sure till how long we will live. That is when Yudhishthira or Dharmaja realizes the wisdom of what his younger brother is saying. We don't know what will happen in the next moment. We don't know what will happen in the next hour. Life is so uncertain. The only time we can be sure of is now. Past is past. We can't do anything about it. Future is uncertain. We don't know. That's why Swami says, past is history. Future is a mystery. Present is a gift. That's why it's called present. And then Swami says it's not ordinary present, it's omnipresent. It's the omnipresent. Omnipresent meaning the presence of the Lord. And therefore, that straight away answers our question. When, if not now? Yes, we have to do whatever we have to do. And when do we start doing? Right now. Right now is a good moment. Start right away. Be it Namasmarana, be it sadhana, be it seva, be it bhakti, whatever. Start right away. Don't waste even one moment. Time waste is life waste, Swami says. So therefore, when if not now?
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदान्धवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवमु मरि अन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरि अन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की।